A thief wandered into a car lot looking for something to steal, with deadly consequences. In Herrera versus Quality Pontiac, the court considered the dealer's level of responsibility for the tragedy. A customer dropped his car off at Quality Pontiac for repairs. At Quality's direction, he left the keys in the car and the door unlocked. The lot was fenced, but Quality left the gate unlocked. Late that night, Billy Garcia entered through the gate and helped himself to the customer's car. The next morning, a sheriff's deputy spotted Garcia speeding in a school zone. He pursued Garcia, who raced away at 90 miles per hour. Octavio Ruiz pulled over to the side of the road when he heard the sirens. Garcia crashed into Ruiz's car, killing Ruiz and injuring his passenger, José Encinias. Ruiz's personal representative, Kenneth Herrera, and Encinias sued Quality Pontiac for wrongful death and personal injury. The court, relying on New Mexico precedent, held that Quality owed no duty to Ruiz or Encinias and therefore couldn't be liable to them. It dismissed the case. Herrera and Encinias appealed, asking the New Mexico Supreme Court to overrule the prior cases and change state law.